Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2015 Mathematics Past Question 43. Simplify 0.00625 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 4 all over 0.0025 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 6. Now we're to simplify this. We have 0.00625 all over 0.0025, then multiply by, now using indices, we have 10 raised to the power of minus 4, then since it's divide, minus 6. Now from this, whatever we do to the numerator will also be applied to the denominator. So when we move this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we also do the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a 0 here. So we have 625 all over 250 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 4. Minus times minus will give us plus 6. So 625 divided by 250 will give us 2.5 multiplied by minus 4 plus 6 will give us plus 2. So 10 raised to the power of 2. And this is the answer to this question. 2.5 times 10 raised to the power of 2. And that is option A. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.